All right, I have a work order for refrigerator. It's not cooling, so I'm heading to the apartment and see what's going on with the refrigerator. All right, let's go. All right, let's look. It's not cold at all. Looks like there's no power in this refrigerator. No power. Let's see what's going on with the power. There's no power going to the fridge. Let's check for power. There's no power. Okay, so the problem was the GFI. The GFI was off, so now I just reset it. Now I can hear the fridge working. Yeah, I hear the fridge now. All right, so problem solved. All right, man, we good, okay? I got the fridge working for you. All right, so we're done with this work order. So the problem was the GFI needed to reset. So that's what happened. So always check your GFI, make sure it's on. So that was very easy. So now we're heading to the next one.